Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term medieval drama. Introduction. Medieval drama in Europe flourished during the late Middle Ages and encompassed various forms including miracle plays, morality plays and interludes. These dramatic works were an integral part of medieval culture, reflecting the religious, social and political aspects of the time. This video aims to explore the characteristics and significance of each form of medieval drama, shedding light on their historical context and artistic value. Miracle plays. Miracle plays, also known as mystery plays, were dramatizations of biblical stories or the lives of saints. Originating within the church in the 10th century as short dramatizations during liturgical services, they gradually evolved into complete plays performed in English by trade guilds outside the church. Notable examples of these cycles were performed in cities like York and Chester, comprising multiple scenes representing crucial events in biblical history from the creation to the Last Judgment. The plays were staged on pageant wagons, moving from one fixed station to another. The authors, mostly unknown, expanded biblical texts and added original scenes, blending comic and serious elements. Representative examples include the Wakefield Noah and Second Shepherd's play, as well as the Brom, Abraham and Isaac. Morality plays. Morality plays were allegorical representations of the Christian life, typically featuring a protagonist symbolizing every man or mankind. The plot revolved around the quest for salvation, with crucial events including temptations, sinning, and confrontation with death. Characters personified virtues, vices, death, angels, and demons, all contending for the soul of the protagonist. The character of the vice, a sinister yet comic temper, is considered a precursor to later cynical and ironic villains. The 15th century play Every Man is one of the most famous morality plays, emphasizing the universal theme of the journey towards salvation. Other notable examples include The Castle of Perseverance and Mankind. Interludes. Interludes were short stage entertainments performed between courses at feasts or acts of longer plays. They encompassed secular farces and witty dialogues, often incorporating religious or political elements. Notable interludes included John Heywood's farces such as The Four Pp and Johann the Husband, Tib his wife, and John the Priest. Medieval drama held great cultural significance during its time, blending religious piety with artistic expression. The plays provided moral teachings, served as entertainment, and conveyed complex theological concepts to a largely illiterate audience. The examination of medieval drama has transitioned from scholarly to critical in recent times, with studies exploring the relationship of text to medieval culture and emphasizing the artistic merit. In conclusion, medieval drama, encompassing miracle plays, morality plays, and interludes, played a vital role in shaping medieval culture and religious beliefs. These dramatic forms provided insights into the medieval mind, its concerns, and its imaginative expression. The literary value and historical context of these plays continue to be subjects of scholarly investigation, enriching our understanding of medieval life and its cultural manifestations. So this was the discussion on the term medieval drama. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.